Can we change language in Grubhub? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can change the language in Grubhub app. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So first, let's open up our Grubhub app. After we open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've done that, you can then head over to the account section on the bottom right. So we'll basically be searching for the setting that allows us to change the language. So now here you can see that you have your name, email, password, and your account's basic stuff. And there are addresses and other stuff, but not any dedicated settings for the app. So if you scroll down, you'll find the support option. But again, there is no settings. And even if there is no setting, there is also no language option, which enables you to change the language of the app. You can start exploring someplace else as well here on other tabs, but still again, no option to change your, language. And I hope this video answered your question that you cannot change your language in Grubhub app. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye-bye. Take care.